Hey guys, welcome to Cryptolina channel, and today we continue to discuss what is happening on the price of the Bitcoin chart right now. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group, so let's get started. So if you want to know what Bitcoin trades I will open in the near future, what prices and targets I see for Bitcoin, be sure to watch this video till the end, there will be the most interesting information. Also, don't forget that right now we are having a promotion with the BYBIT cryptocurrency exchange. I have a completely free private trading chart that you can join and copy my futures trades. So as you can see, the Lina USDT trade short with a 25 leverage worked for us quite recently. We didn't make many percent on this one, but the trade was quite good. All you need to do is follow the link in the description to my group and all the detailed information will be there. So let's move on to our charts. 4-hour time frame, Bitcoin, dollar, all the same. We are going in a growing channel on a 4-hour time frame. Here is this growing channel in which practically nothing has changed. And there are certain metrics that right now say that we are overheated and we need to make a small correction. So look at how RSI looks like. RSI looks rather sad. We have a divergence here. RSI is always ahead of the price, and in the near future we will most likely see a correction that will develop in a similar way. So we have already discussed that the price may come to the level of the previous trade, which is right now at $26,900, $26,000. So we can come into this range, make a double bottom, and get away with $31,000. Also, of course, RSI doesn't guarantee this 100%. It's quite possible that we will keep this divergence for some more time if it trades within this range. And RSI at this moment will simply cool down and go lower, so this can also happen, but within this range we will not see it much. Also, traders, don't forget that now everyone absolutely says that we need to go for a correction, but we cannot do this and go immediately for $31,000, $32,000, and only after that make a correction. So far, globally, my thoughts remain the same. I remind you that right now I have an excellent promotion exclusively with the BYBIT cryptocurrency exchange. You can use special bonuses and preferences only for you. If you want to take as many bonuses from me as possible and get exclusive signals to the cryptocurrency market, you need to register using my referral link, make a registration, send me the word crypto in private messages in the Telegram, and I send you instructions how to join my closed Telegram chat, and then you get access to signals, the best scalping strategy, and the best BYBIT bonuses that are on the market right now. If BYBIT is not available in your country, then you have a good alternative. This is BitGet. It's available for all users. You can get to $5,000 bonuses. Follow the link in the description or in the first pinned comment, register using my links, and get your bonuses. So let's move on to the next charts. We have a rising wedge on the 4-hour time frame that is about to break. We can draw the resistance level like this. We have white fake punctures here up and down, and there is a gap inside the range which is also marked with green and red blocks. But it also looks a lot like a growing triangle that can break through to one of the sides. I don't like that RSI is now growing. I don't like that RSI is now drawing a divergence. They suggest that we can do something like this and even go inside this flat. It could be something like this. RSI may cool down and after that we will go up. So let's see how it will be, but if we are ready to make a breakdown up, then on the retest I will go into a long position. So if we go down aggressively, then again on the breakout retest I will go into a short position. So we can't say exactly where we will go yet, but definitely expect strong volatility in the near future. Bitcoin can rise or fall by a couple of $1,000s. There will be a Fed meeting soon, There will be a Fed meeting soon, which will somehow affect the price of Bitcoin. There is always some volatility when the Fed meets. Also, friends, look at the 2-hour chart. Again, look at this range. It cannot be said that it's rising or falling. It's just sideways. We're just in it. We can stay inside and beyond this flat trend in order to bring Bitcoin to the level of 36, $40,000 by the end of May. And the main goals are, at least according to our Fibonacci strategy, almost everything is the same. Нет, еще раз. And this is the main goals, and at least according to our Fibonacci strategy, almost everything is the same. We don't have much time until May, around June 2, that's 54 days. Accordingly, during this time, we have to go for $35,000. And in general, the strategy develops correctly. We can even go to the zero level, $24,300, and then go to $35,733. And this would be the perfect And this would be the perfect continuation of this scenario. We will make a small correction, cool the market, and test the previous highs. And after that, we will go to $35,000. This is possible option, but which many people want. So most likely this will not happen, and we will probably go to $31,000. Then we will make a correction that will scare everyone, and everyone will go into shorts from $31,000. Although we have the main goal about which few people talk about, we will not be achieved yet. The main goal is not achieved yet, and after that we will go to our main goal, $35,000. But one way or another, by the end of May, But one way or another, by the end of May, the whales should reach the price of $40,000, and in my opinion, these are quite realistic prices that we can expect. Also, traders, we will show you... Also, traders, I will show you a few metrics that I found in the public domain. For example, this picture. Historically, the 90 days Historically, the 90-day ASORP value, which is below the 1 mark, somewhere right here. So it tells us that we are in a bear market, and everything that is above respectively signals bullish trends. Нет, просто еще раз. And everything that is above signals bullish trends. In 2015, 2019, 2020, this resulted in growth of 6,110%, 150%, and 579%. And now you see that ASORP rises above 1 in our country, and this suggests that growth of Bitcoin. And look at this graph. Screenshot it, and you can really be surprised how ASORP works out, and almost always it worked out in the right way. And when we went into a bear market and the indicator went below 1, we always went into parabolic growth, and now it's ready to do the same. Also, on another chart, Bollinger Bands, Also, on another chart, Bollinger Bands, we are now in a rather narrow space, and when Bollinger Bands narrow, we always get volatility. So now this can also happen. It's very likely that we will have upward volatility. And again, this is a consistent... And again, this is consistent with our theory that Bitcoin should reach $40,000 by the end of May. And then we will... And then we will see how events develop. Most likely we will go for a correction to $20,000. Also, a very interesting metrics, BTC exchange outflow volume 7-day chart. The volume of the outflow today reached a 1-month low, 21,030. The volume of the outflow today reached a 1-month low, $21,383,000, and you can see these figures when the outflows from the exchanges reach the minimum values. This signals that the bear market is at the stage when the whales buy bitcoins and withdraw them from the exchanges as quickly as possible in order to hold and wait for more interesting prices, more interesting values. And when the price of Bitcoin goes to higher values and gives them a profit, they launch Bitcoin back on the exchange and sell them. So as you can see now at the $28,000 mark, this is what is happening. People make a strong accumulation so that Bitcoin goes up in the future. It's like there's also an accumulation going on right now, and even at $28,000. So everyone says that now there should be a correction, everything will go down, and overall it will go. Nevertheless, according to the charts, we see that there is a fairly strong accumulation of Bitcoin, which is what yours. Nevertheless, according to the charts, we see that there is a fairly strong accumulation of Bitcoin, which it was from $21,000, not as strong by the way as it was at $18,000, which is rather strange. Indeed, people are now buying Bitcoin, possibly buying whales and withdrawing them from the exchanges. So, that was all. Write in the comments what you think about it. Also share, would you like a video about coins and which ones? Maybe you want to hear about altcoins. That's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram group. Put your likes and comments below. Thank you for watching. Bye.